Hello again, and welcome to Molly's Feed, in which I tell you about all the webcomics I'm currently reading while I'm pretending to work. Today I want to talk about Don't Hit Save. Brought to us by artist and writer Jeff Lofvers, Don't Hit Save is a twice-weekly serial feature that focuses on the daily trials and hijinks of an indie software development firm. What the firm actually produces is never specified, but that's really not important to the comic at all. I think it may have something to do with VR, or that could be a side project that the cast is working on, but like I said, I really don't care about that. It isn't the point. There's no real continuity yet, but again, that's really not important. The two main characters are Jeff, the incredibly bright and handsome programmer who may or may not be based on the artist, and Mr. Battles, his sentient and antagonistic collectible action figure who may or may not signify Jeff's internal dialogue. All I can say is that Mr. Battles only talks when only Jeff can hear him, so make of that what you will. Other characters figure frequently into the mix as well, most often program manager Janet, who certainly knows enough not to be buffaloed by her developer staff. For example, she's able to tell at a glance what a minor code modification entails, and Jeff must then scramble to amend his formerly lofty time estimates. There's Chet, the boss, whose name Jeff can't often be bothered to remember. Jeff's coworker and his close friend Ricky are two peas in a pod, often seeming to want to do as much work as possible to avoid working. And then there's Gwen, the punching bag, although she gives as good as she gets. While the strip does focus on development, it also serves as a clever and snarky send-up of technological trends in general, topical social issues, and baffling technical policies of things like online banking. Don't Hit Save has already garnered a fair amount of attention online, receiving up to 5,700 points on the R-Funny subreddit multiple times, reaching the top position on reddit.com, and millions of views on Imgur. It's really not hard to see why. Don't Hit Save is not only entertaining, it's eminently relatable. Jeff's observations and situations are things many of us can either recall thinking or experiencing ourselves in some form or another, be we developers or not. We've all been burned by a bad internet service or incongruous service fees, right? This comic has a top spot on Molly's Feed. If I were you, I'd catch up and start following. Don't Hit Save currently updates each Tuesday and Friday at don'thitsave.com. Follow the comic on Twitter at don'thitsave, on Facebook at facebook.com/don'thitsave, and on Reddit at user don'thitsave. Thanks for watching.